Being able to join the Coast Guard cutter Maple on their transit through the Western Arctic and the Northwest Passage has provided us a great opportunity to accomplish some oceanographic science along the way. As a part of the regular environment of operating this vessel, there's a great attention to safety, to training, and the people here aboard this boat have a tremendous amount of experience with the kind of operations similar to oceanographic work at sea. Along the way, we have recovered, refurbished, and redeployed oceanographic moorings. We have deployed zooplankton sampling nets to sample the ecosystems we're traveling over. There are a couple of species of what are called copepods that are particularly important ecologically. These zooplankton are much larger than other species in the same family in other parts of the world, and that's because of how rich and productive this ocean is up here and how short the season is. The HARP is a high-frequency acoustic recording package, and what it does is it sits at the seafloor on its own and records underwater sound continuously for periods of up to a year at a time. And then we can come back a year later and recover it to retrieve the acoustic recordings that it's made during that time. Like the calls of bowhead whales, big baleen whales that make sounds as they navigate through heavy sea ice to feed on plankton, there's a relatively rapid and large-scale change going on in the Arctic. And we see that the ice is breaking up across the Arctic earlier in the spring. It's freezing up later in the fall, it's thinner. And so determining how those changes that we see translate to changes in the ecosystems and for these animals is particularly important.